In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able to how to hide hidden groups, Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tidy up a grouped database view so you only see the categories that matter without deleting anything. First, open the Notion website and head to the page that contains the database you want to clean up. This works the same whether you're using the web version or the desktop app, but we'll follow the website instructions so everyone can keep up. Next, click Settings for your database view. Depending on your setup, this may appear as a Settings button or as the view options in the top right of the database. The idea is the same. You're opening the controls for how this view is organized. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Group. This is where Notion lets you organize items into sections based on a property, so it's easier to scan and manage your content. Now choose Group By and select the property you want to group on. For example, you might group by status, priority, category, or any custom property you've created. As soon as you pick one, your database will reorganize into clear sections, one for each value of that property. This makes it much easier to focus. Once your items are grouped, look to the group headers. You'll see an eye icon next to each group name. Click that eye if you want to hide that group. The group will collapse and disappear from the visible list, but nothing is deleted. Your pages are still safely in the database, just hidden from this view. This is great for temporarily hiding empty groups or categories you don't need to see right now. If you change your mind, simply toggle the eye icon again to bring a group back. In many layouts, hidden groups are listed at the bottom under a collapsed section, so you can quickly reveal them when needed. Remember, these changes apply only to the current view, so you can keep different views tailored for different workflows. A few quick tips as you go. If you don't immediately see the eye icon, hover your mouse over the group header to reveal it. If your grouping doesn't look right, return to Settings, adjust Group By to a different property, and the groups will update instantly. And if you're collaborating, remind teammates that hiding a group is a view preference. It won't remove content for anyone else. That's it. Open Notion, click Settings, choose Group By, and use the eye icon to hide the groups you don't need right now. Clean, focused, and totally reversible.